Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Great big pot here. We filled it with SWELL compost. The pot is around 50 centimeters across or a little bit more and about 60 centimeters deep. SWELL compost is important. It's a great compost. Contains 12 to 14 months slow release fertilizer and wetting agent. You've got all the major and minor nutrients you need. Well, a great big Hosta in, and with some lovely Blue Angel hostas ready now for planting. This is a Hosta Blue Angel. It's ready to open out in pure white flowers and it's got great big leaves. Now, hostas are wonderful in pots because we can do with the pot, you can spray a bit of WD-40 oil around the outside of the pot to stop the slugs getting in, and then you can have fantastic hostas in pots. At the front of the Hosta Blue Angel, we put some angel wings, so lots of angels going on in this pot here. So some lovely angel wings there for a bit of silver, and then we're going to put some 2 Felicia Forever Blue underneath. They've got blue daisy-like flowers with lovely yellow centre, and these will flower right through until October time. So 2 Felicia Forever Blue settled in there. But the Hosta Blue Angel, great big, bold, dramatic leaves, and we can look forward to white flowers there as well. And the blue against the white flowers of the Blue Angel on top will look fantastic. So there we go. And of course the Blue Angel will be in the pot for years and years to come, and will eventually fill out the pot with these massive leaves and of course lots of white flowers. So very simple pot combo, give great colour right through the year, great bold planting. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.